Welcome to Tuesday's Tips from So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and anti-fatigue mats are good for not just standing on in front of your cutting station or your ironing board. They can be used for other things in your sewing room. There are different types of anti-fatigue mats, but you can get them so that they are a non-slip surface. So they're a little bit rubbery on one side and on the other. They still have that cushioning, which is really good for the fatigue on your legs when you're standing for a long period of time. But they're also great for keeping things in the place that you want to put them. So your foot pedal stays right where you put it. Your sewing machine stays right where you put it. And as the machine is running, because of the thick surface, it helps reduce some of that noise and some of the movement with the machine. And the best thing is it stays where you put it. If the chair that you're sitting on is a little bit low, you can take them and cut these mats to fit the top of your chair. It's going to raise your surface a little bit. Because of that anti-slip surface, it's going to stay in place. The chair that I sit on in my sewing room has no wheels. The purpose is because I have a tendency to slide when I'm sewing, and that chair moves back as I'm trying to move forward. Having an anti-fatigue mat under your chair will help prevent the wheels from moving as you're quilting and you're pushing your fabric under the machine. Because the wheels will soak into this mat, it's not as easy to move. But once you get up, you're going to be able to move it. It's having that extra weight. It's going to sink those wheels right into that mat. Once you have that chair in the position you want, you're going to be able to stay in that position. Some of the anti-fatigue mats can be rolled. Others can be put together like puzzle pieces, which means they're great for traveling with. So the next time you go on a quilting retreat or a sewing retreat, you can have all the comforts at home while you're there. Thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're sewing next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.